Stop buying laundry detergent. You can save a lot of money by making your own at home with just 3 ingredients, and a single batch can last for months. Grab 1 bar of Castile soap and cut it in half. Then grate it as finely as you can until it's completely shredded. The finer the soap, the faster it will melt and the better it will blend with the other ingredients. Now place all of the grated soap into a large pot. Pour in 1 liter of water. Place the pot over medium heat and stir constantly until the soap is completely melted. It doesn't need to boil. Next, you'll need a clean 20-liter bucket with a lid. Fill the bucket with very hot tap water. While it's filling, keep stirring the pot until the soap has completely melted. Once the bucket is full, set it aside because you'll use it in just a moment. Now remove the pot from the heat and carefully pour the melted soap into the bucket of hot water. Next, add 1 cup of washing soda. It helps loosen dirt, sweat, grease, and many of the residues that get trapped deep in your clothes during everyday wear. Then add 1 cup of borax. It boosts the cleaning power of the mixture and helps eliminate stubborn odors that can linger even after washing. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. It helps colors stay vibrant longer. Store well until everything has completely dissolved in the hot water. Make sure there isn't any powder left sitting at the bottom of the bucket. Now fill the rest of the bucket with cold water until it's almost full. The change in temperature helps the mixture develop the right consistency as it cools. Give it another good stir to make sure everything is fully combined. Then put the lid on. Let it sit overnight so the ingredients can fully blend together and the mixture can naturally thicken. The next morning, you'll notice it's a little thicker. Just stir it for a few seconds and it will loosen back up into a smooth, even consistency. And that's it. Your homemade laundry detergent is ready to use. You only need about 1 capful per load, so a single bucket can last for up to 150 loads, depending on how much you use each time. That can add up to huge savings compared to buying detergent over and over again. And the best part, at least for me, is that I no longer sneeze or get congested when I do the laundry. If you're sensitive to strong fragrances or certain ingredients found in conventional detergents, this may be a much more comfortable alternative for you.